Hey guys, Roger from the Townsend team here, part of the Elite Realty Group, and we have another listing that I want to share with you. This one here is absolutely incredible, but you know what? I'm not going to tell you much about it. I'm going to let Jean take this one away. Jean, do your thing.
Hi, I'm Jean from Elite Realty Group, and I'm standing here in one of our newest listings. Honestly, if you just look, there's tons of pot lights. We have large windows to give you natural light. Also, the light fixtures are just amazing right throughout the home. Fully renovated from top to bottom. The floor is just absolutely amazing. Our clients could not have done a better job. Enough of me talking. You need to come and take a look at this for yourself. So just give me a call or a text on 647-424-2272 and let me know what you think about it in the comments below.